Got grass stains on your jeans? Don't panic. Those green marks might look stubborn, but with a few simple steps, you can get your denim looking clean again. Grass stains come from chlorophyll, the green pigment in plants which binds to fabric fibers along with natural oils and dirt. The trick is to act fast before the stain sets. Here's what you'll need: a mild liquid detergent, white vinegar, baking soda, a soft brush or old toothbrush, and some cold water. If the stain is really tough, an enzyme-based stain remover or rubbing alcohol will help. Start by rinsing the stained area with cold running water. Always rinse from the back of the fabric so you're flushing the stain out instead of pushing it deeper in. Avoid hot water at this stage because it can set the pigment permanently. Next, apply a few drops of liquid detergent directly to the stain. Gently rub it in with your fingers or a soft brush. You don't need to scrub hard, just loosen the green color. Let it sit for about 5 minutes so the detergent can start breaking down the stain. Now, mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a small bowl. Dip your brush in the mixture and scrub the stained area in small circles. Vinegar helps lift color-based stains like grass without damaging the fabric. If the stain looks lighter but not fully gone, sprinkle a bit of baking soda over it. Gently brush again. The mild abrasion from baking soda helps pull out any leftover residue without harming your jeans. Let the mixture fizz for about 10 minutes, then rinse under cold water again. Check your progress. If the stain has mostly faded, great. If it's still visible, repeat the detergent and vinegar treatment once more. Grass pigments can be stubborn, especially if they've been sitting for a while. For deep or set-in stains, apply an enzyme-based stain remover. These are designed to break down organic matter like chlorophyll. Follow the product directions and give it about 15 minutes to work before rinsing again. Now it's time to wash the jeans. Use your regular laundry detergent in a cold or warm water cycle, depending on the care label. Cold water is safer for preserving color and preventing the stain from setting further. Avoid bleach because it can weaken the fabric and cause discoloration. After washing, inspect the stain spot before drying. If any green tint remains, don't put the jeans in the dryer yet. Heat will permanently lock in the stain. Instead, repeat the cleaning steps until it's completely gone. When you're satisfied, let your jeans air dry naturally on a rack or hanger in a shaded area. Air drying helps you spot any leftover stains before the fabric fully sets. If you use a dryer, choose a low heat setting. If your jeans are light colored or delicate, test the vinegar and baking soda on a hidden area first. Some denim dyes react differently, so it's good to be cautious. For everyday prevention, try spot cleaning fresh stains right away. Quick rinse with cold water and a dab of detergent can save you from a full wash later. If you're outdoors often, whether gardening, playing sports, or hiking, consider using a fabric protector spray on your jeans. It adds a light coating that helps repel stains and makes cleaning easier next time. And if your jeans have already gone through the dryer with a grass stain, don't lose hope. Apply rubbing alcohol or enzyme cleaner again, and let it sit a bit longer. Some stains fade slowly after repeated washes. Remember not to scrub too hard. Denim is durable, but aggressive scrubbing can roughen the surface or fade the color unevenly. Gentle pressure and patience are always better. By the end, your jeans should look clean, smell fresh, and feel soft again, with no green marks or dull patches. To recap quickly, rinse with cold water, apply detergent, use vinegar and baking soda, rinse again, then wash and air dry. That's all it takes. You don't need fancy stain removers or harsh chemicals. Just act fast and use simple household items. And here's a quick bonus hack. If you're out and about and get a fresh grass stain, dab a bit of hand sanitizer on it. It can break down the pigment temporarily until you get home and wash it properly. Grass stains might be stubborn, but they're not permanent. Once you know how to treat them, cleaning becomes quick and easy. So, next time your favorite jeans pick up a green smudge from the park, sports, or a picnic, you'll know exactly what to do. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, leave a like, share your own cleaning hacks in the comments, and subscribe for more simple laundry tips. See you next time and keep those jeans looking sharp.